Hello everyone, welcome back. This is a different kind of video, kind of. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of a few items. One are pieces to resell, but I may keep a couple pieces. And the other box is two purchases I made on Whatnot. Yes, I bought a couple things on Whatnot. And a little mini thrift haul because I haven't been to the thrift store in 2 weeks. And found some really good things. So I wanted to share it with all of you. I literally just got home. Excuse the no makeup. My hair is still wet from this morning, and I'm drinking Adele's. If you're from New England, you know. So good. Okay, let's start with Whatnot, because there's only two pieces in the Whatnot box. So I was watching Denali, who is LG Joe Thrift. I was watching her Whatnot because she was having a plus size Whatnot, which I love. And I was on the hunt, I'm always on the hunt, I guess, for dresses to wear to work, especially in the summertime. It's just so much easier for me to wear dresses. If they're flowy, it gets really hot in my office. We're on the third floor. It just gets really hot up there. So very excited to buy these two dresses. I had no intentions on buying anything, but then I walked in, I was sitting there, that's what I meant to say, and I was like, oh, okay, some of these pieces are really cute, and I can add them to my closet. The first one is Target. It's just Ava and Viv, and it's a 1X. I'm just gonna back up here, and just a really pretty floral dress, and it's got a little tiered hem here. I have about 5 other dresses probably that resemble this in style, but I don't have anything in this color. I really do like this color. And I like the pattern. I love floral. So I got this guy. I don't remember what I got it for. Maybe like 20 bucks or something. This next piece I paid up for, but I couldn't not pay up for it. Like, it is just, it's beautiful. I don't remember what the brand is. I don't remember. I remember absolutely nothing about this except that it's beautiful. So here it is. It is a white maxi dress. This is probably going to be a little big on me, honestly, but that's okay. I'm going to belt it. So it's this beautiful white maxi length dress with all of these tiers, very bohemian. But the thing that sold me on this dress is, look at these beautiful rose embroidered florets on there. Just so pretty. So pretty. This is definitely going to be a little big on me. But I'm okay with it. I'm going to belt it. We're going to make it work. I think I paid like 60 bucks for this, but how could I not? This is a perfect summer dress. So those two were for me from Whatnot. Interesting buying process on Whatnot. The whole bidding thing. I haven't sold on Whatnot, but the whole bidding process is very interesting. The urgency that people feel when they're bidding on items. I'm definitely not that kind of person. There is no urgency for me. If I get it, I get it. If not, oh well, on to the next. It doesn't really bother me. But I can understand why some people get hooked to it. Also super dangerous, I guess, because you can just keep bidding on things and spend a lot of money. Not my jam. That's just not how I do things. This next piece is a bundle purchase that I made on Poshmark. This individual wrapped things very nicely. Everything has its own little tissue paper, which we're going to save. Some of these, well, I should say almost everything in this box probably would fit me. It's more than likely my size or close to my size. But I honestly got a lot of this to sell. But, you know, I'll try things on. Why not? These birdies I'm actually going to keep. I just need to wash them and just do a little bit of mending right here on the toe. Here they are. They're just these marigold flats. These are for work. So yes, they're worn. They have a little bit of wear right here, but I'm okay with that. I have a what do you call it, paint marker that matches this. So I'm just going to color that in a little bit just to not make it as noticeable. And it came with the duster. So I really, can't go wrong with that. It's a work shoe. whatevs. I really don't have a lot of work shoes. I have a lot of comfort shoes now, Birkenstocks. I've got sneakers, but I don't have anything that's like a little more fancy to wear under a dress or something, so that's why I got that. I'm warm. I gotta put my hair up. Okay, we're back. I'm sweating up here. The AC's on. I'm sorry if you guys can hear in the background. The AC is on, but I'm still sweltering up here. Next is a Who What Wear extra large floral blouse. I actually have something very similar to this, but it's navy blue and red. So this is the same exact style, but it's red with the pink floral, which I will probably wear when I'm done filming this because we're having a little party here at my house. So I might throw this on. Then we have another Target dress. Again, Ava and Viv. This is a size X, which is like a 0X, which is more of like a traditional extra large. The reason why I went with this size and not a 1X is because of all this elastic that exists right here. So I don't need the 1X for this. I really love the pleats. Hoping this is coming through on the camera. Love, love, love the pleats. I'm a big pleat girl. I think they're so pretty. So, nice new little, oh, it's got a little cold shoulder. Didn't even realize that. It's got a little cold shoulder there. So, this will be pretty. I have a couple of bridal showers and baby showers coming up, so I just like to have really pretty dresses in my closet. This is going into the keep pile. I guess this bundle really is just for me to keep. I was going to sell a couple of things, but we'll see. Well, this I will sell. This is Eloquii. I actually do really well with Eloquii. I never used to, but maybe because they have more of a following now, I really do well with it. This is a puff sleeve denim shirt in a size 18. I like it. I think it's cute. I think it would be a little big on me. It might, maybe a little big, but Eloquii sizing's a little off. I wouldn't say like a true 16 would fit in a 16, like you might fit in a 14 Eloquii, or you might fit in an 18. It depends. Some of their pieces are oversized, but a lot of their pieces tend to be smaller. So this one we're going to put in the sell pile. Move the tissue paper over. And then lastly, this one I might get one wear out of and then just sell it. But this is a Reformation linen blazer. It's an older Reformation label, but the style is very classic and people pick up this kind of style all the time. It's a 2X, so it's definitely an oversized fit if I were to wear it, but I think I'm going to sell it. I think this is definitely going to go in the sell pile. I just need to, as you're going to see up here, I need to treat this and I need to clean it. There's some yellowing right there. Not a huge deal. I can soak this and get most of it, if not all of it, out. And it's just right here on the collar, which is a general area where you're going to see some of that yellowing anyway. So we're going to put this up here. Okay, those are my two boxes. Not that exciting. I will have some exciting boxes coming my way in a couple of weeks. I was given the opportunity to source off of a website. I will obviously go into more detail when I get the boxes. And was able to get inventory for 75% off, which was really nice. And I'm excited to share all of that with you guys. There's some really great things that are coming in, so I'll tell you all about condition and all that kind of fun stuff. But now we're going to move on to items that I found at the thrift store. There's a couple of new to me brands in here and some tried and true, what every reseller kind of wants to find when they go to the thrift store. First up, I've never found jeans in this brand. So here we have Helmut Lang. I don't know if that's coming through or not, but it's Helmut Lang. They're just a pair of black straight leg. I'd say almost like a wide leg, but it's a straight leg. It's almost got a flare to it. Kind of has a flare. I don't know if it's going to come up on camera. Boot cut, but kind of a mini flare. Anyway, it's what the kids want right now. Size 26. These were $4.99. I will gladly take these. I'm going to put this up here. Take another sip of my nails. All right, next we have a brand that I generally don't pick up, but I have mentioned before on my channel that if I do pick it up, it's because it's a current style, something that I think people will gravitate towards and want to purchase. It's Theory, and this is like a military style jacket. So, ooh, the color is not coming up on here. the way the lighting is coming in. Oh, there you go. You can kind of see. There you go. Oh, then I lose it. It's an olive green. I lose it once the lighting hits it a certain way. But it's got a military style to it. I liked it. Thought it was really pretty. It was $4.99. So I feel like when it comes to jackets or blazers or more of that business attire for Theory, it's more than likely going to sell. Instead of like a t-shirt or something that's a little more basic, might not sell. Okay, this is a new to me brand. I know absolutely nothing about it except that I need to clean it in a couple of places. But it looks like it sells in the real for decent money. It looks like it retails for quite a bit. Looks like it resales for a decent amount. Like we're talking 80, 85 to like the 150 mark. It's IRI, so I don't know if it actually is pronounced Erie or if it's just Irie. I don't know. I know nothing about it, but the platform and the soul and the funkiness of it is what made me gravitate towards them and even look at them. I saw the brand. I saw this made in Italy, designed in New York. We're going to give it a shot. It's like this neoprene material. It needs to be cleaned, so you'll see right there. There's some marks, so that has to be cleaned. And I thought there was another mark over here. Well, there's some marks in the sole, but I think there's another little right here. Well, that's going to come up. But there's a faint, right there. There's a faint little mark. So I just need to clean these and list them. I have no idea if these will sell or if they're going to be better off me sending them to the Real. I don't know. So we're gonna find out. It's gonna be a journey, and we're gonna see how that goes. Next up is I've never found this in the thrift store. In my almost 4 years of thrifting, I've never found this brand in the thrift store. I found it retail arbitrage, but it's Farm Rio, and it's a newer tag of Farm Rio, and oh my goodness, like this print. Take me to the Mediterranean on the villa. Like, that's what this is. Oh my God, yellow looks so bad on me. It like completely washes my face. So this is why I never wear yellow. Yeah. Yep. Very excited about this. It was 99 cents. We're just gonna leave that there. That was 99 cents. Okay. Moving on to a Patagonia Cinchilla. Love the color. Clearly came from the same person because the Farm Rio dress, this Patagonia, and another dress I'm going to show you are all in the same color scheme. We like that kind of vibe. We do. So this is a size small Cinchilla in perfect condition. I always look to see if there's like cigarette holes or anything. I found a lot of Patagonias with cigarette holes, so I don't know what people are doing with your Patagonias, but can you not put cigarette holes in them? That'd be great. Yeah, this was marked at, take a guess. Take a guess. How much do you think this piece was marked at? $2.99. I don't even know what was happening. $2.99? What? That is just wild. This is a new to me brand, but I'm confused. I don't know what this must be for the belt. I don't know if that's intentionally there or if they added this here. Having a conversation with myself. Sorry, guys. Show you what the brand is first. It's called Veiled Collection. Never heard of it before. Retails for a decent amount. Ooh, it smells like perfume. Needs to be washed. Ooh. But it's just this ribbed dress. It has this, I didn't know what this was at first. It looked like a wing. No, it's a belt. It has a belt. And someone attached this pin. I don't think this comes with it. So it's got a little wrap front to it. It's long. It's a maxi. It's really cute. But I'd never heard the brand before. Veiled Collection seems like it does pretty well on the resale and the retail side of things. Next up is a brand that I'm sure none of you thought that you would ever see me pick up, because I don't think I've ever showed this brand on my channel before, but I actually have picked it up quite a few times. I just never find it at a good price point. And that brand would be blank NYC. I actually really like their stuff, and it sells really well. It has a following, but if I can't find it for the right price point, I'm not buying it. Well, this is at the right price point. It was $4.99. It is a suede with fringe, very cowboy-esque vibe going on here. Smells wonderful. I love the smell of suede. It's in perfect condition. So good. It has the zipper here on the sleeve, size medium. I don't know if I said that already. Very excited to list this. I think this will be a great transitional fall piece, but also honestly kind of like that boho festival vibe kind of thing too. So I mean, I list things year round. It's not like I'm going to hold on to that and list it in the fall. No, I'm going to list that probably as soon as I'm done talking to you guys. I'm probably going to get some listing done. Next up is a new to me brand, but it was next to the Farm Rio, and when I felt it, I was like, oh, you're very similar material. I wonder if this is Farm Rio too. And then when I saw that it wasn't, it was a brand called Playa Lucilla. Playa Lucilla. It's very pretty. Like, look at these. Look at the vibe here. I don't know what this flower is called. This flower has a name. I can't think of it. But it's got this really pretty floral design. It has this belt right here, a little rope belt with tassels on the bottom. It's tiered. It's a maxi. It's beautiful. This is sold on Shopbop. I did very brief research on it. I was going to pick it up either way because I really loved the print and I loved the style, and it kind of went with that whole like boho, but also I'm traveling to Greece kind of vibe, and I want a pretty dress. Very British blogger is like what I got from it. It is 100% cotton, made in India, not Italy, made in India. And I think the retail is close to 200, and the resale seems to be between that 65, 80, 100. Some are listed at 150. I think it really depends on the style and what people are looking for. I mean, I don't know. A blogger may have worn this. I have no idea. But they seem like a fairly new brand. This was $4.99 as well. So another brand that I'm really excited to try out. And then lastly, I picked up a pair of shoes. Let me just untie these here. That I mean, I generally don't pick up heels. I generally don't pick up this brand in heels, but I did because I thought that they were perfect for multiple occasions: weddings, night out, Christmas, New Year's Eve. It's got multi-purposes to it, and it's also in like brand new condition. Don't think it was ever worn or maybe worn for just one event. And they were $10.99. It's Diane von Furstenberg. Her shoes really don't do great, but I think that there are just certain styles that will do well no matter what for events, especially when they're in such great condition. So, little Diane von Furstenberg heel. And that's it. I mean, this video's, it's a good short video to show you things that came in the mail literally 2 minutes before I came up here to film my little thrift haul. We're going to photograph this stuff. You saw some pieces I'm going to keep for myself. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to end the video here. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.